on the Bering Sea.
Fishing vessel destination, this is Coast Guard aircraft, Channel 16.
It's been nearly 4 hours since the fishing vessel destination's distress signal. Coast Guard aircraft have arrived off St. George Island and are sweeping the area. Captain Bill Prout of the Silver Spray has been on the scene since before sunrise. He's still hoping to find the missing crew.
You're constantly looking there. You're just looking for maybe somebody in a survival suit swimming, maybe seeing a flare and just not knowing. My crew, they're up in the wheelhouse, they're out on the back deck. You just keep looking and looking. Okay, we're gonna find a life raft. We're gonna find him here. And it's quite a thing when you're searching for somebody and you can't find them and you know they're right there. We start seeing some debris. We find a life ring. A wave hit it and flipped that life ring over. And then you see the word destination on it. Then we're kind of realizing something did happen. The Coast Guard helicopter was directing us to a couple pieces of debris. We found the EPIRB. That is the emergency beacon. It was taped to a piece of line that was maybe about 30 feet long. Well, that didn't get taped by itself. Somebody had gotten the EPIRB and taped that on there, maybe was trying to hang on to it. It is surreal. This happened quite a while ago, and you start thinking about it, go, wow, it's still very touching. Your heart sinking right with these people as you look.